you want to take this outside? Or are you just going to keep driving and not continue being the way that you've been?
Like, I agreed to go on this road trip because I thought you were chill. This is not fucking chill, dude. You have me come and drive your truck while
Right.
you can take your fucking sweet ass on a nap.
Right.
While I'm over here slaving away.
Right.
I fucking hate Oregon!
Look at this freaking guy.
I told you, no more filming. Okay? No more filming. Do you want a receipt?
Sure.
I'll take a receipt. Yeah, thank you.
Did you even realize that we're in Oregon?
Yeah, I walk out to use the restroom. There was a lot of souvenir that say Oregon. So I realized.
Did you make the connection that you're an idiot?
Why are you so mean? Is this Zwing roasts?
Yeah, dude.
Is that a new segment?
Welcome to the channel.
You're just gonna pick on the mixed kid because he's mixed?
Did your phone just Japanese at you?
That's what I'm talking about, man. Open this damn window! Look at this guy. BMW. Oh.
I left some keys at home too.
Oh,
He wants to talk to you.
Take care.
Beamer, by the way.
Thank you. I appreciate it. You know what's funny? He looked directly at me. He could just tell by your flamboyant appearance that you weren't the one driving it.
What part of my outfit is flamboyant?
I don't know, maybe the cheetah print glasses, the Justin Bieber gray hoodie,
Tortoise shell.
the Macklemore
Tortoise shell.
haircut,
Macklemore haircut.
the cop stash,
The cop
the
stash?
shit brown pants. Like,
How is any of that flamboyant?
Start driving the car, dude.
Well,
You have one job.
So I'm gonna scrape up your trailer here.
Just hang a nice little right there, so you don't. Thanks, appreciate that.
Wait.
およそ400メートル先、U ターンします。
My bad.
Yeah, this is sick. I'm gonna turn on our receiver. Where are we, Zach?
Nice shot.
Puyallup, Washington.
Puyallup, Washington.
This is James.
I just want to go home already, huh?
Darren.
Oh yeah, we met in Vegas. Yeah. Dude, thank you, bro.
Yeah, buddy.
I was just gonna skateboard to walk it out to the truck. 2JZ and the WRX?
Yep.
Is this a WRX or an STI?
STI.
That's awesome. Is that what you would do? 2J, the STI?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Yep.
This 350 here? Oh, shoot. You put that in there?
No, I got it, luckily. Like this. Super, super cheap.
That's super nice.
Just fixing it now. Make it look good. Gotta put the standalone in it and retune it.
Well, dude. Hey, thanks so much.
Whoa. Wir haben hier the Walmart und the Home Depot over there on that side.
Your German accent is actually really spot on.
Dankeschön.
Are your parents like full on?
Nein, no, they just live in Germany for about 9 years.
9 Jahre, ja?
I've only been to visit a couple times, but...
Deine Mutter und Vater leben in Deutschland vor 9 Jahren?
Deutsch.
Nicht sprechen Sie Deutsch, nein?
Nein, nein.
Ah, shit. We're gonna have to leave you in the car.
Those expats?
Look at this beautiful city. This is my favorite view.